Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Begin by installing Mongodb 6.0 on your machine and follow official package steps. Start the Mongodb service and ensure it listens on port 27017 for local development. Open the Mongo shell or use Mongosh to connect to localhost on port 27017 and authenticate if necessary. In the shell, run the command use my database to create or switch to a database immediately. MongoDB creates the database when you first insert data into it. Confirm the database exists with show DBS after inserting a document. Create collections explicitly with DB. Create collection users or let inserts create collections automatically. Insert a single document using DB. Users. Insert one name, Alice, age 30, balance 1,500 to add a user record. For multiple records, use DB. Users. Insert many name, Bob, age 25, name, Carol, age 28 in one command. Query records with DB. Users. Find age 20. Project fields using DB. Users. Find name 1, age 1. Update documents with DB. Users. Update one name, Alice, balance 2,000. Improve query performance by creating indexes such as DB. Users. Create index email, 1 on common fields. Monitor indexes with DB. Users. Get indexes and drop unused ones with DB. Users. Drop index, email 1. Backup your data using Mongodb and restore it using Mongodb for migrations or disaster recovery. Configure replication and enable oplog for high availability and point-in-time recovery. Secure your deployment by enabling authentication, creating an admin user with roles, and enabling TLS for encrypted connections. Regularly test backups and review user privilege.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.